Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on searching in JSTOR, one of the databases offered by the SNU library. All of the materials in JSTOR are from scholarly publications, so you can be sure that all of your information is from a reliable source. You can get to JSTOR by going to the main library page at library.snu.edu and clicking on the Research Databases link below the search bar. This page lists all of the databases you have access to through SNU. You can find JSTOR by either typing it into the search box or clicking on the letter J. From here, you can click on the JSTOR link. You may be prompted to log in using your SNU credentials. Make sure that at the top of the JSTOR database, it says that you have access through SNU. Otherwise, you may not be able to access the articles for free. Type your search terms into the white search box on the middle of the screen. In this example, I will search for pediatric nursing. After you execute the search, a list of results will appear. This is automatically going to search for all of the keywords that you enter in the box and pull full text articles. If you want to change that, click Everything under Access Type in the left sidebar, and it will pull articles that you may need to request through interlibrary loan. For this example, I will not click that so that I will see only full text articles. You can see that my search has pulled up over 4,000 results. You may narrow these results a few different ways. One way is to use quotations around any phrases that you would like to find grouped together. I'll put quotes around the words pediatric nursing. Now we have 333 results. You can also use the Boolean operators and, or, and not in all caps in order to include or exclude certain additional terms. To illustrate this, I will type in pediatric nursing and infants. This searches for resources that include both terms in the article. When searching for keywords, try to think of other related words. For example, I could search for infants or newborns. Which would expand my search. In the left sidebar under academic content, you may select to search by the type of content. These results include articles from journals, book chapters, and research reports. I want a journal article, so I will select journals. Under date, you may type in a range of years to see only content from that range. I only want to see articles from the past 5 years. So I will type in 2018 to 2023 and click apply. You may also narrow by subject type. Now I only have 127 results. If you wish to expand the results, you may change the filters in the sidebar or brainstorm new keywords to search. To view an article, click on the article title. Here you see details about the article, including the title, author, and an abstract if one is available. There is also a citation tool available here on the right. By clicking on Cite, you will be able to copy and paste a citation. This page will also pull up a picture of the PDF. If you want to go ahead and choose this article, click on Download. After accepting the terms, you'll have the option to save or print the article. If you need any further research assistance, feel free to ask the reference librarian in person or by phone, chat, or email. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.